challenging to do 50 here on Barrydown and LaSalle too. Actually, anywhere within Sudbury.
Yeah,
It's challenging because everyone else wants to go 80 and 90 and follow the flow of the traffic and
I've
not
seen
realize.
Lots of people being like way faster in there.
Oh yeah.
Like, hello?
Yeah. And then it's tempting to, or it's sometimes it's just you're following the traffic without realizing you're going at the same speed they are. But it doesn't look like you're going to have an issue with speeding.
Yeah, I went a little bit over, but like 250.
And that's normal. That's normal driving. A little over, a little bit under. So long as they see that you're making that effort. Let's make a left lane change. We're going to go straight at the traffic lights.
If the signal doesn't turn off, it's okay for me to kind of just.
Yeah, you can turn it off manually. Yeah.
I went up to 60.
I noticed that. If you notice that you're going 5 or 10 over the speed limit, don't panic. They give you 5 seconds. And they count it out in their head. 1001, 1002, 3, and it's a long window of time.
You can get back.
Yeah,
like, pretty.
You can notice
Okay.
when you're scanning around, you're scanning basically in a pattern. Your eyes are moving. You're looking straight down the road, mirror, straight down the road, speedometer. Like that. Yeah, it's hard to get people to stop looking at it. Just the one sound. This is turning into 2 lanes. You see the yellow line. To the left. So it just means you stay close to the key. That's Have you done a roundabouts before, or?
Not here.
Not here? Okay, so you've done them before, all right.
Yeah.
So it worked the same way, or?
Kind of. Not
Okay.
really. Usually
more.
our roundabouts are just one lane, so we don't have to be doing this whole
Like changing lanes?